Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use MiniMax H3 Image-to-Video. As you can see, I added this image input and this text to create this nice video. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open ComfyUI from here. Okay, and run it. Okay, and now let's close all of those. Close anyway. Now let's go here to templates. Check here ComfyUI, all templates, and choose this template MiniMax H3 Image-to-Video. Select it. Once it's selected, we have 5 errors found. Okay, we have to download those 4 models, as you can see, and add image as input right here in this place. Okay, to download those files, you need to click here, download, and as you can see, downloading is starting. For me, I already downloaded those files. Let's add it in ComfyUI. Okay. First, we have to go to models, VIE, we have to add those models. First, let's go here. Minimize this one. The first step is to go here to ComfyUI. Search for models. Select models. Where is models? After models, okay, not this one. Okay, VIE video. And second one, VIE audio. Search for VAE. Select it and paste those here. As you can see, those 2 models. Okay, third model, MiniMax H3, we have to add on diffusion models. Okay, return here to models, search for diffusion models, this one, copy it right here, and the final model, we have to add this here in text encoder, Queen 3 VL. Where is text encoder? Text encoder, okay, paste it right here. Now, the next thing I want to do is to go here and reload the page. Okay, it started missing our image input. Okay, for me I want to add this image. For test, you can add any image as you want. For the text is here. Okay, editorial text product, film transparent gaming mouse. As you can see, this is my text script. Okay, for the duration, 5 seconds here, you can adjust as you want. For the megapixel, if you want high resolution and good CPU and good GPU, you can choose this one, Full HD. For me, I have 12 gigabytes of VRAM, I want to choose this one. We have to choose any one, choose V0.4. Okay, now let's go right here and hit run. Okay, start working. Okay, let's see here in task manager the RAM and the performance of CPU, memory, and our GPU. Okay, fine. Now let's see our video. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. It looks amazing, our video. Okay, to create this video using this model MiniMax H3 Image-to-Video, it takes around 10 minutes with image as input. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.
Why not speak the sheep? Why not?